What do you know of the formulation stage? My answer is the formulation stage refers to the activity of creating or preparing language production by selecting appropriate words and sentence structure combined to make meaningful speech. B. Syntactical knowledge. My answer: syntactical knowledge refers to a speaker's skill of putting the property of language together, lexical and grammatical property which will convey his abstract concept in mind to be spoken in communication. Number 2, what is the relationship between the formulation stage and syntactical knowledge? My answer: the formulation stage depends heavily on syntactical knowledge. Without syntactical knowledge, we cannot arrange words in a meaningful order. Formulation use syntax to structure the speaker intended message into a grammatically correct sentence. Number 3, what are the differences among lexeme word vocabulary as well as entry? My answer are: lemma is the basic abstract form of a word stored in the mental lexeme. B. Lexeme refers to the complete set of word form of a lemma. Run, runs, running. C. Word is the actual unit used in speech or writing. D. Vocabulary is the collection of words a speaker know or use. E. Entry refers to the repression of a word in the mental lexicon with the meaning and grammar information. Number 4, what do you know of grammatical encoding in the formulation stage? My answer: grammatical encoding is the process of putting chosen words into a proper syntactic frame. For example, if the idea is Ali ate apple yesterday, grammatical encoding organized into Ali ate an apple yesterday by applying tenses, agreement, and word order rules. Number 5, what do you know of the articulation stage and phonological stage? My answer: the articulation stage refers to the act of pronouncing concepts that produce a series of clear and effective. B. Phonological knowledge might be understood as our ability to construct sentences according to the concept existing in our mind and pronounce them with proper speech sounds. According to phonological rules. Number 6, what is the relationship between articulation stage and phonological knowledge? My answer: the relationship between the articulation stage and phonological knowledge is that both are closely connected in the process of producing speech. Phonological knowledge provides the rules and understanding of how sound should be organized and pronounced, while the articulation stage is the actual act of producing choose the sound clearly and effectively. In other words, phonological knowledge guides the articulation stage to ensure the speech sounds are correct and understandable. Number 7, what is phonological rule and what are its characteristics? My answer: phonological rules allows a speaker to undertake a phonological encoding process, which enable him or her to articulate selected lexemes using relevant sound sequence to express an abstract idea in his or her mind. Phonological rules can be characterized by several characteristics including phonological rules are intuitive, phonological rules are untaught and unconscious, phonological rules are language specificity. Phonological rules are language productive. Number 8, what do you know of phonological encoding? Explain your answer. My answer: Warren P. defines phonology encoding as the process of giving sound to abstract form of the word. Number 9. As a whole, can you explain the process of language production? My answer: language production is a representation of the language system that function in the human mind as a means used to communicate abstract ideas to one another. The communication system is formed by three types of knowledge, namely semantic knowledge, syntactic knowledge, and phonological knowledge. Chomsky, for example, asserted that language production, speech production in the human communication system can occur due to the central role of syntactic knowledge.